Ah ha ha, and I got ahead of myself. I love it. All right, so for this one, we're going to do what you may have already done if you followed along with the last level. Goal, the screen switches to right screen when the user clicks on the right button. How? In code mode, add a new on event, which we actually did, to your program for your right button. Add a set screen block inside of that switches screen to right screen. All right, so if you did this already, great. If you didn't do it, then take a minute and add in this code right here. And then when you click on run and you click on right, you went right. Da-da-da-da. Great job. I want mine to have a sound too. So you know what? I'm going to have a sound. And I'm going to go to choose. They have a false sound, but not a true sound. What? Oh, it's the default sound. Okay, so click, click, okay. Um, So let's try that. I don't know what this is going to do. We're just going to give it a try and see. Run. Excellent. It worked. All right. So again, just because I wanted to. Um, so you should have your on event, right button click, and set screen, right screen. And then if you want to add a sound, you can. But when you're all ready to move on and it all works and you've given yourself a check mark, you're going to click on the orange finish button, and here we go.